my name's Alan Bateman. I'm the Director of Next Generation Engineering, working for BT, based here at Astral Park in Ipswich. Ultimately, we're using this technology to help us transform the way the company works. Originally, we started off with a small pilot trial site here at Astral Park, but it's been so successful we've now decided to deploy across 5 global sites around the world, with smaller sites collaborating using the smart technology between each site. It's saving us a lot of money. We're able to have the teams working much more real-time and collaboratively together, and it's very successful. The business case to develop 2 more sites across the world had to go all the way to our operating committee in BT for approval. And we, under normal circumstances, we'd all bolt off down to London, present our business case. And because the smart technology is pivotal to what we're doing, but there's a lot of other stuff because it's about changing people's behaviour. The project is about changing the way people develop software. So this is a key aspect of it, but the project is much, much bigger than that. So the business case was a fair-sized business case for this next financial year. And normally, say we bolt off down to London to do it, but we decided we would use the technology. So we'd actually present the business case for the next version of the technology, using the technology. And so we got people into the conference room in BT Centre in London, where we've got this technology as well. We did the presentation from here to them, and we tried to use the features of it as well. So I did the presentation, and then during the presentation, people were asking me questions about, oh, hang on, is that capital budget, or is that recurring budget, or hang on a minute, I don't understand that. So I was then grabbing the pens and drawing on the boards and highlighting things and linking, budget lines with arrows and things. It's easy to get a flipboard and a pen, but in the long term, we'd still be on A4 pads and faxing, wouldn't we, if we didn't move on. Having these actual pens and the erasers is a much more natural way of using them. So I do prefer this, and when we were initially looking for the project, we did try several different boards, and I think that was quite neat because it's got to feel like you were using an ordinary board. The same with when people project, because we use them an awful lot for collaborating. We have them, most of the time we have them linked in pairs across sites. And the best function then is you're using it as a projector, and then you start drawing on them. And that's where we found the most benefit. The more you use them, the better, but just don't lock them away. The key thing we've got is to have enough of them so that everyone just uses them as their day-to-day tool. They naturally have them near their desks, in open areas, in meeting rooms too. Most of them, as you see when you look around the site, they're out on the floor plate. And everybody says, oh, no, put them in a meeting room, put them in a meeting room. No, we're not putting them in a meeting room. We're going to put them right smack next to your desk. My wife teaches a class of 8-year-olds, and they all use the technology day in, day out, use it themselves. They don't even think about it. Just come in the morning, turn it on, and they use it. We've got to get our people to do that. BT is dedicated to helping customers thrive in an ever-changing world. We believe the smart technology is pivotal in helping us achieve that.